Hi there. Today I wanted to show you my 5 favorite things about this house. Let's take a look. My first favorite feature is the downstairs bedroom and bath. Great to have a spot for your guests that's away from everybody else, or right now you can use it as a current home office. My second favorite feature, full laundry room. You got plenty of space for extra cabinets here. You got your washer, dryer, gas hookup for your dryer, and full separate room with exterior access. My third favorite feature of this house is the natural light. You can see a couple of skylights, big picture window out front, but really warm light all the way throughout this home. My fourth favorite feature of this home is the oversized walk-in closet here in the master suite. In addition, you also have a vanity, dual sinks, and an oversized shower. My fifth favorite thing about this house is the 3-car garage with storage for all your stuff and plenty of parking for the cars. You also do have 3-car driveway and ample street parking. I hope you've enjoyed our tour of this great home today. It is 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 3,000 square feet on a 6,500 square foot lot in Orange, right near Chapman and Cannon. Great house. If you want a private tour, give me a call, Dave Feldberg, 949-439-6288, and hope to see you soon.